Action yun.
Hindi, ilong. Mga dumugo.
Ha? Ano nangyari?
Easy.
Sino? Bakit?
Ano ginagawa niya sa ACBC ko? Paano?
Saan si Mr. Suave? Di ba dyan yan?
Oo.
Asan siya?
Kanina nandyan na. Nausap yung nanay ni Natalie. Kasi ay nagalit na yung coach. Lalapit na siya doon.
Ano ba yung babae?
Oo nga. At yung lalaki. Yung kaso lang yung lalaki, nakaupo. Pero yung babae, sumisigaw sa ref. Bawal yun eh. Pangit yung block niya. Nakita mo yung block niya, pumasok sa gitna. Importante din yung block niya.
Kelly, oh.
Come on.
Magtatayo kaya ako ng ganito.
Mahirap yan kasi mga reklamador na
Bakit? Bakit doon?
No!
Bakit doon? No! No!
It wasn't!
No!
It wasn't! It wasn't!
Bakit ginanon?
She clearly... Was she called? She did not! It wasn't! It wasn't! No. That was push.
Yeah.
It's not even lift.
Yeah.
She got it like that. Yan, ilaban nila kasi reklamador. Tingnan mo, yung doon.
Ay, nagagalit naman yung coach there?
Yeah, the coach on the other side. I don't like it. Yes. Yeah.
Ano daw?
Jump
Jump ball?
Because it wasn't. It was clearly. The point should be in the metro. See, those coaches, I don't like those
Hala.
coaches. See,
No.
I told you, those coaches
No.
something.
Ba't ka sabi pa doon?
Yeah, those coaches, they're something.
Yeah.
They're gonna... That was a clear hit. Di nga naman nilip eh. Ginanon niya eh. Ginanon niya eh.
Ano ba nangyari? Ay, yun
Parang
natin
nilip
kinakausap
down.